Welcome to another episode of Aleo's Lighting at a Glance. I'm Paul Huang, the VP of Sales and your host today. Today we'll be taking a closer look at Aleo's SLD Series. The SLD is the perfect energy-saving solution for recessed downlight applications. Aleo's slim edge-lit downlight offers field-adjustable CCT from 3000, 4000, and 5000K, and features a flicker-free integrated driver with continuous triac dimming. It is wet location and Energy Star rated, as well as California Title 24 compliant. This makes it an excellent choice for retrofit or new construction of residential, multifamily, commercial, retail, education, hospitality, and even outdoor ceilings. The SLD is ready to go out of the box. It comes complete with a junction box with an integrated IC rated driver and knockouts, and it comes outfitted with spring action clips and cables. It is available in both a 6-inch and 4-inch version. Nothing is better than a simple and speedy install. Through the use of the integral spring clips and the fact that this fixture does not require a can or housing, the SLD provides your customer with a hassle-free install and peace of mind. As always, more information on this product, along with Aleo's other product solutions, can be found on our website at aleolighting.com.